Hi guys, so today we are diving into the heart of Mumbai with a flavor packed dish that's as vibrant and diverse as the city itself, Bombay Biryani. This isn't your average biryani. Bombay Biryani is a delightful fusion of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors. We'll be layering tender meat, perfectly cooked rice, and medley of unique ingredients like potatoes and other spices for a truly unforgettable culinary experience. Get ready to experience the magic of Mumbai on your plate. This recipe is perfect for those who love little adventures in their food. I'll guide you through every step from marinating the meat to achieving that perfect balance of flavor. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf. Add some salt to taste. Then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 30 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook the rice for about 70%. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the rice is cooked for about 70% now. Then simply strain the rice. Then to make the Bombay Biryani masala, add 2-inch cinnamon stick, 8 green cardamom, 10 cloves, 2 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 maize spice, 1 bay leaf, 5 dry red chilies or Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon dry kasuri methi, and then dry roast it until it is nice and light brown. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then take a mixer jar and add all the dry roasted spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and then blend it to a fine powder. So the Bombay Biryani masala is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom, 4 cloves, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 700 grams chicken cut in medium pieces and then simply fry the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the chicken has changed its color. Then add 2 green chilies chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 3 potatoes peeled, washed and cut in medium cubes. Add some salt to taste and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add the Bombay Biryani masala which was previously made. Add 2 stock cubes and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let the masala nicely cook with the chicken. Then add 1 cup fried onion, 1 cup yogurt, add 2 tomatoes chopped, add handful of chopped coriander leaves, and then give it a nice mix. Then add 1/4 cup water and cover it and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. Then give it a nice mix. And simply add the cooked rice. Make sure the flame is on low at this point, and then simply spread the rice nicely. Then add half cup saffron milk, add some fried onion, half tablespoon red food coloring, add handful of chopped coriander leaves, add 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, and then cover it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. So the Bombay Biryani is ready. As you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked and it is nice and fluffy. Make sure it is something like this. And there you have it guys, a flavorful and vibrant Bombay Biryani. I hope you enjoyed this culinary trip to Mumbai. Let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I hope you enjoyed sharing this taste of Mumbai with me. This Bombay Biryani is a true celebration of flavors and I encourage you to try this recipe at home. Share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.